Hundreds and thousands of TikTok sounds have been muted and shut down. This includes mine and thousands of other creators. Make sure you watch this video to the very end where I'll give you 5 TikTok hacks how to still reuse muted TikTok videos. And I really need to point out right now, if you have any muted TikTok sounds, videos on your account, you really need to, at the moment, private these if they've got a little yellow dot as well, because if you leave them on your account, you're going to get a count violation. Your account is going to get punished and your views are going to get suppressed overall because you're sort of breaking the TikTok rules by having copyright material on your page. So what's even happened? Well, Universal Music, UMG, the biggest music company on the planet, failed to renew a licensing deal with TikTok. This was mainly to do with artist compensation, security, and the major use that TikTok is using of AI, artificial intelligence. Removals have already started to happen, and I've had many of my musics muted, and I've had hundreds of people messaging me already, Matt, what do I do? What do I do? Which is why I'm creating this video as well, to help you out. But this means there's going to be major artists which were on TikTok, their songs are not going to be on the platform anymore. And I'm talking about huge artists such as Taylor Swift, Harry Styles, even Drake. This is crazy news. But TikTok, you know, as a platform was the ultimate marketing machine to help promote artists. It also helped new artists, unheard of artists, get into the limelight, help them get blown up. And we've also even had with TikTok old artists from back in the days, these songs which should have got #1 top of the charts because of TikTok. They have, and they did get to the top of the charts and they blew up because they were posted on TikTok. And that's the power of TikTok as a marketing social media platform. And you might have not even heard of the Spudman, but the Spudman, for example, is not related to music whatsoever. But he is now being all over the world on the news for selling jacket potatoes just because of the power of social media and TikTok. That's how powerful the platform is. Now, and I quote, this is what TikTok have said in a statement. It's sad and disappointing that the Universal Music Group has put their own greed above the interests of the artists and songwriters. Despite Universal's false narrative, the fact is they've chosen to walk away from the powerful support of a platform with well over 1 billion users that serves as a free promotional and discovery vehicle for their talent. TikTok has been able to reach artist-free agreements with every other label and publisher. Clearly Universal self-serving actions are not in the best interests of artists, songwriters, and fans. What do you think about this? Like, last year, it was all about TikTok getting taken down and getting closed down. This year, this plot twist, we've already had one with this music situation. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Now, regarding if you have any videos on mute, sounds on mute, you've got violations, copyright restrictions, right? These are 5 hacks you can do on TikTok, which is going to help you to be able to reuse them. So once again, make sure you private these videos if you've got any right now, which your account could suffer, and then decide what you're going to do next. First of all, find one of your videos which says muted. Now you can replace the sound with something more suitable, or wait to the very end of this video where I give you a cheeky little hack where you'll be able to re-add your original audio. Option 2, you're going to click on the share icon, jump onto a watermark remover website like Snapchat, then paste the URL link and you'll be able to download the video with the original music. You could re-upload this again, but be aware the sound may get taken down due to copyright. You can upload the video to TikTok or CapCut and then add a voiceover over it, like a new one or the original one. If you extract the original audio, there's especially vocals in it. You can add overlays with videos and images and effects.
Come over to vocalremover.org, then upload your video. Once it has fully uploaded, simply just select if you want music or vocals and press save.
The idea is to upload your video with the track, save the song to your music library to use later. A lot of songs from UMG on TikTok, so even though there may not be that many getting taken down at the moment. They are happening every second, every minute, every hour of the day. One by one, they're getting taken down. So some of the songs you may think they're safe. There's a high chance they might get taken down if they're from Universal. What do you think about the whole situation? Let me know in the comments. Have you had any videos on mute already? If so, how many are you going to implement these tips, these hacks from this video? Let me know in the comments. Just flood the comments section on this video. Like this video if you found it helpful, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. We'll see you on the next one.